Edinburgh, Scotland's capital, is a city that wears its history with pride, from its volcanic beginnings to its role as a centre of the Scottish Enlightenment. Edinburgh's story is etched into its streets and buildings. The city's dramatic skyline, dominated by Edinburgh Castle, perched atop an extinct volcano, hints at the captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that awaits visitors. Whether you're drawn to ancient castles, world-class museums, or scenic hikes, Edinburgh promises an unforgettable journey. Edinburgh's charm lies not only in its grand attractions, but also in its hidden alleyways, locally loved pubs, and the warmth of its people. Prepare to be captivated by the city's lively atmosphere, where the echoes of bagpipes blend with the rhythm of modern life. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or a nature lover, Edinburgh has something to offer everyone. No visit to Edinburgh is complete without a pilgrimage to Edinburgh Castle. Situated atop the Castle Rock, this iconic fortress has served as a royal residence, military base, and is a symbol of Scottish national identity for centuries. As you ascend the Royal Mile towards the castle gates, you'll feel the weight of history closing in. Inside the castle walls, a world of history unfolds. Explore the Royal Palace, where Mary Queen of Scots once resided, and have a view of the Honours of Scotland, the oldest crown jewels in Britain. As you stand on the castle walls, have a look at the breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Have a look at Pentland Hills, a range of hills southwest of Edinburgh. The range is approx. 20 miles in length. Edinburgh's culinary scene is as rich and diverse as its history. Begin your gastronomic journey with traditional Scottish food. Start the food journey with Scotch broth, a soup originating in Scotland. Another Scottish soup is Cullen skink, a thick soup made of smoked haddock, potatoes, and onions. Enjoy a traditional Scottish meal of haggis and pair it with neeps and tatties, mashed turnips and potatoes for an authentic experience. Indulge in Dundee cake, a traditional Scottish fruit cake, or savour cranachan, a traditional Scottish dessert. The dessert of cream and fresh seasonal raspberries is bolstered by Scottish oats and whiskey. As you venture beyond the city's premises, you'll find the lush pastures where charming Highland Cows, a Scottish breed of rustic cattle, graze. These gentle creatures contribute to Scotland's renowned dairy industry, providing high-quality milk and cheese that add a creamy richness to many local dishes. Escape the city bustle and immerse yourself in the natural splendor of Arthur's Seat and Holyrood Park. This sprawling green oasis in the heart of Edinburgh offers a relaxing break from the urban landscape. Hike to the summit of Arthur's Seat, an extinct volcano that rewards climbers with panoramic views of the city and the surrounding countryside. Explore the park's diverse landscapes, having the cliffs of Salisbury Crags to the west. Also, explore the tranquil shores of Duddingstone Loch, a lake to the south of Holyrood Park. Whether you're seeking a challenging hike, a peaceful stroll, or simply a moment of tranquility amidst nature, Edinburgh offers a refreshing escape.